Might come up
Yeah.
with the rim them, you know?
Yeah, man, just come, man. You know I
Yeah,
got you.
my special day coming up and I want to look sexy. Hello.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Look at it, my special day coming up. Bye.
Where the Macka engage?
Bye.
Why? Where's the Macka
Love you all.
engage?
Love you all. Bye.
Oh! No, no!
Macka Diamond, the diamond herself, is scheduled to touch the aisle after she revealed online recently that she's actually engaged. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always notified whenever we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Charmaine Monroe. Wedding bells are ringing on her side of the fence. Stage name Macka Diamond, after it was recently announced that Macka Diamond is actually engaged. Guess what? Again. So Macka Diamond is the money goddess, and she's actually a Jamaican singer and songwriter. She was born in Kingston, however she was raised in Portmore. She was influenced during her early days by artists such as Sister Nancy, Lady Anne, Lady Jeannie and Lady G, who were some of the big names during her time while growing up. This came as a surprise to many of her fans, both locally and internationally, as Macka Diamond has been marred with so much controversy in recent days. In her illustrious musical career, Macka Diamond has so far spanned and cemented herself as one of Jamaica's top female recording artists, and even during the trial times, she still continues to progress her musical career to the forefront of dancehall entertainment. Now, this came as a shock to many, as Macka Diamond was engaged previously some years ago, and that the wedding did not get to materialize due to some unforeseen circumstances. So many people now are beginning to speculate, who is this mystery man? And a number of them have took to social media just in order to search down Macka Diamond secret mystery man. Now, this information was revealed by Macka Diamond herself in a recent live she did. Let's go over to that right now on Links 007 TV.
Might come up
Yeah.
with the rim them, you know?
Yeah, man, just come, man. You know I
Yeah,
got you.
my special day coming up and I want to look sexy. Hello.
All right, whenever you're ready.
Look at it, my special day coming up. Bye.
Where the Macka engage? Why? Where's the Macka
Love you all.
engage?
Love you all. Bye.
Oh! No, no! Congrats!
Listen, me not care what Macka say. The gate really pull Macka.
The gate pull!
gate
You
really
never
pull.
shown a ring
Remember them did say
before!
nobody no want you no Macka.
Yeah.
Remember them did say a old woman no Macka. Remember them say no man no left for you no Macka. Remember them say it.
Somebody said I'm see the ring long time. Me happy. Yeah, babe. No.
Look how much time they cost. I know Macka married herself.
No.
I know she married herself.
You notice when Major IT from them pull up old picture with Major
Give my
suck her breast?
Huh. Hold on.
Yeah.
Boy Macka, so where the man there?
The man,
you can't show him.
man saying can't bother no more. Him does all show them say, no?
Him no want to see.
Oh, the man say
No, sir. Listen, let's share it. I walk with her screen recorder and send it.
Hold on. So Macka, let me ask you something. Is it a little old man or middle-aged man?
Nice.
The man there in about in 60s?
Nice, sweet, juicy. Nice, sweet, and juicy.
Good age man.
Oh.
Sweet, long.
Like what Queenie have?
No, man. Thicker body.
Oh.
You should be
Okay.
You're like a queen. No, man. No, not so. Not so young. Not so young. My age group.
That's what you.
So,
Looking great like me.
Hold on, Macka. I hope
I'm happy for you, though.
I hope you know one of them women they were gonna be engaged for over a year and a half.
Lord be
My
popular with
birthday,
it.
my birthday.
Engagement over a year and a half. He's not gonna marry you. I'm
My
being
birthday
honest.
is my
Being be
birthday.
nice.
Oh no, I'm just
You have to
saying.
be so mean.
I'm not being mean. I'm
No,
just
the
being
birthday
fair.
is on my birthday.
When am I birthday again?
January.
So quick. So
I'm
that
married.
means the back.
No, my Macka.
So I'm gonna run through it right now.
Alright, pick up yourself, Macka.
Macka. And you can't know no Macka. You can't know say I want mix up man you there with you know. Cause why him wait till all of this a go on to give the piece of ring?
No.
Yeah, come on, no. Come on, no.
Well, there you have it. That was the announcement from Macka Diamond herself. You heard it right here on Links 007 TV. That Macka Diamond is actually engaged to be married. Now, her fans have took to social media just in order to congratulate her on this latest milestone and this latest engagement in the life of Charmaine Monroe. Macka Diamond stage name. The Money singer is actually going to become a wife soon, and many people are beginning to just hunt down Macka Diamond's social media page just in order to see if they could get a glimpse of this mystery man. Many are stating that he's actually an American. Some are stating that he's actually from Canada. Some are even stating that he's a British. Now, we are not here to say where he's from or what's up with regards to that, because we're not sure ourselves. But the speculations are out there on social media, and many are just anticipating this special moment when Macka Diamond will actually reveal the secret mystery man behind this engagement. As you know, Macka Diamond has been in the business for some time now and is a female artist that has tried her very best to cement herself as a household name within the local and international dancehall music space. And even though at times situation might seem challenging for her, she still continues to put out her best and still continue to do music that will reach the world and continue to garner fans worldwide. But we here at Links 007 TV, we just want to take this opportunity just to congratulate Macka Diamond on this latest engagement, and we just want to say we wish her all the best. So this is where we're gonna leave this one here for now. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity to the Scoop, and congratulations on your engagement, Macka Diamond. Peace out and bless. Links 007 TV, always keeping you up to date with the latest celebrities, entertainment, breaking news report right across the world. Peace out.